cement is the backbone of modern infrastructure, shaping the world around us. But how is this vital material actually made? Today, we're taking you inside the fascinating process that turns raw materials into the foundation of our cities. From the extraction of limestone and clay to the intense heat of the rotary kiln, and finally to the cooling and grinding of clinker, each step is crucial in creating the cement that supports our buildings, roads, and bridges. Join us as we explore the journey of cement production, uncovering the science and engineering behind one of the most essential materials in construction. It all starts with selecting the right ingredients. Limestone and clay are the main materials used in cement production. These crucial minerals are carefully extracted from quarries, where precise handling is essential to get the correct mix. This careful process ensures that the cement produced has the strength and durability needed for construction. The quality of the cement affects everything from towering skyscrapers to the roads we use daily, making this initial step fundamental to creating reliable and strong cement. Once the raw materials are gathered, they're transported to crushing plants where they are broken into smaller, manageable pieces. This step simplifies handling and processing. After crushing, the materials are mixed in a process called pre-homogenization. This mixing ensures a uniform blend, which is crucial for producing cement with consistent quality and strength throughout. By combining the materials evenly, we ensure that the final product performs reliably in construction projects. The heart of cement production is the rotary kiln, a huge, rotating furnace that heats the raw materials to extreme temperatures, up to 1,450 degrees Celsius, 2,642 degrees Fahrenheit. As the materials move through the kiln, they undergo a dramatic chemical transformation, turning into clinker, small, hard, and dark-colored pieces. This process is crucial because it gives cement its strength and durability. The rotary kiln's intense heat ensures that the raw materials are thoroughly processed, creating the high-quality clinker needed for making strong, reliable cement. After the clinker exits the rotary kiln, it needs to be cooled quickly to maintain its quality. This rapid cooling process helps to preserve the properties that make the clinker ideal for cement production. Once cooled, the clinker is ground into a fine powder in large grinding mills. During this grinding process, a small amount of gypsum is added to control how fast the cement will set when mixed with water. This final step transforms the clinker into the cement powder that is ready to be packaged and used in construction projects worldwide. Once the cement is finely ground and ready, it moves to the packaging stage. Here, the cement is carefully packed into bags or stored in bulk containers, depending on how it will be shipped. The packaging process ensures that the cement stays dry and protected during transportation. From here, it's distributed to various locations, including construction sites, hardware stores, and factories, where it will be used to build everything from homes to highways. This final step in the cement-making process ensures that the product is safely delivered and ready for use in creating the infrastructure that supports our daily lives. As we've seen, the journey from raw materials to finished cement is a complex and carefully controlled process, vital to the construction of our modern world. Cement forms the backbone of our cities, enabling the creation of buildings, bridges, and roads that stand the test of time. Understanding how this essential material is made gives us a greater appreciation for the engineering and craftsmanship that go into every structure we rely on daily. From the foundations of skyscrapers to the pavements beneath our feet, cement plays an integral role in shaping our environment and supporting our way of life. If you enjoyed learning about how cement is made, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into how everyday things are made. Also, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.